Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make columns in Notion. So I will show you how to make columns in text first, and then I will show you how to make columns inside a table. So in text, just select and separate the text where you want to put it in different column, and then drag from these 6 dots and until you see this blue line right here next to it, and then release. Now you can simply dissect the text more and then just drag and add another column. You can also move these columns with this handbar, as you can see, to make it fit your size. Now, if you want to make a column in a table, I will show you real quick how to do that. First, I will delete this text and now write backslash and table. Now, in order to add a column to a table, you will have to go right here to this plus icon, and this will basically add a new column. You can add as many columns as Notion will let you. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.